The St. Catherine CC and the Kingston CC are in control of their respective two-day Senior Cup semi-final matches at Stumps on day one. Over at Chedwin Park, hosts St. Catherine were on the cusp of first innings honours over St. Elizabeth on a day where only 44.3 overs were possible due to rain. The visitors were bundled out for 96 in 28.2 overs, with Elvis O'Connor 3 for 8 and Rain Williams 3 for 15 doing the bulk of the damage. Mikhail Powell supported with 2 for 34. In only 16.1 overs before the rains came, Williams 38 and Romain Bennett 20 took St. Catherine CC to 60 without loss to trail by 36 runs ahead of the second and final day.
Well, it's been a pretty good game so far. Get them for 97, and now we both did the job, and now the batsman is on the crease and doing the job. Well, it's not really a setback because we're in the driving seat now. There are 6-2 without loss, so hopefully come tomorrow we can get the start tomorrow. Yeah, we've been gelling from season, and I think we can take the striker, but we're going to take the semi-final first and then go forward next week for the final.
It's not really a good feeling at this time, especially rain is falling. So right now we are on the back foot, you know what I mean? But I think our batters, they didn't apply themselves this morning when the game started, right? We play loosely, and that put us in the position we are in at this time.
Over.